Hi guys and welcome. Today we'll be having a look at how to convert a binary number to decimal. I will do this conversion based on the fact that if you're watching this video, you already know the difference between a binary number and a decimal number. So let's get started on our conversion. Firstly, you would insert the binary number into a conversion table, which will allow you to know what the decimal value is before you do the actual conversion. I will do this by multiplying the numbers in the conversion table by each digit or bit in my binary number. This will give you the decimal equivalent for the given binary number. So in this case, 0 multiplied by 1 will give me 0, 0 by 2 will give me 0, 1 by 4 will give me 4, 0 by 8 will give me 0, 1 by 16 is 16, and 1 by 32 will give me 32. That gives us the decimal number of 52 to the base of 10. So now that you know the number, you can do the conversion knowing that you need to get 52 to the base of 10 as your answer. Each digit in a binary number represents a weight of 2 because we're making use of a 2-bit system. Furthermore, the position of the digit within a binary number determines its value relative to the powers of 2. So the rightmost digit represents 2 to the power of 0, the next 2 to the power of 1, and so on. Next, you will multiply each digit, 0 or 1, by its corresponding positional value. In this case, it would be 2 to the power of 0 multiplied by 0, 2 to the power of 1 multiplied by 0, 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 1, 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 0, 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 1, 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by 1, and 2 to the power of 6 multiplied by 0. So this will be 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 16 plus 32 plus 0, which will give me an answer of 52 to the base of 10, which is then my decimal equivalent for the given binary number. Guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified for any new uploads. Until next time, cheers.